There's an easy strategy today, and we're going to make some good money. And this is going to be step by step, so make sure to follow everything, set everything correctly, and you'll be profitable. Hit subscribe and let's go. First of all, of course, we're going to involve ourselves today in some Digistore 24 affiliate marketing, okay? This is the best website if you want to promote other people's products. It's good money, they have some nice commissions, and all in all, it's a good website. If you want to do some research, I suggest going over to Trustpilot. Trustpilot says that Digistore 24 has 4.7 out of 5, and that is a pretty good rating. You can also check the comments down there and see what other people are saying about the website, and you will see all the good comments here. People are getting money. They're satisfied with the income, and you're going to be as well. Now, what I like about Digistore 24 is that they have 85% commissions, okay? So you will not find this anywhere on the internet because 85% commission is really good. It's huge, and the money that you get on this website is really, really good. So let's go and see how to make money here. First of all, of course, you will just have to click on Start Now. Of course, just sign up. Complete this simple information about yourself. You can just input your email, password, your username, agree to this, and click on the Continue button. Once you log in inside of this, you should head over to Marketplace and just click on All Offers on the Affiliate Marketplace. And in here, you will have a lot of categories. So, for example, if you like, I don't know, home and garden, you will find a lot of these products which are related to that. And this is a good niche when the winter is over because everyone want to get their gardens better, they want to make it good for the summer and all. But one niche, one category, which is evergreen, is fitness and health because people want to lose weight and build muscle all the time. And for example, this Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is a really, really good one. So just take a look at this. If you manage to sell one of these, you're going to get $25 per each one of those sales. So that's some good money, okay? And if you want to learn more about this product, you can just go to sales page, and that's going to redirect you to see what this is about, okay? You have a video here, and you can find a lot of useful information. There's also some affiliate materials if you click on here, and they will give you all of this material so you can use this in order to attract the customers. It's a very easy strategy to do, and I'm going to show you step by step how to set this up and how to be profitable. But first of all, of course, let's choose the product, okay? You can't choose the first one, of course, but you can choose all of these down there. So for example, I don't know, I've made a lot of money with these keto desserts because it's a simple sell. It is really cheap to sell, but this one will get you $5 each. But trust me, it is way easier to sell 5 of these to get $25 than it is to sell one of these to get $25, okay? So that's basically why I use this one. So let me just show you this as an example. So what do we have to do? We have to go on the sales page. Click on the sales page and you're going to get this. So this is the sales page that people, those customers, are going to see, okay? So this is what they're going to see. So what do you have to do? You have to copy the link of this website, of this sales page, and then just simply go to Google and just type in website to PDF. So website to PDF is going to convert website to PDF file, okay? So that is pretty much self-explanatory. So you can just click on web to PDF. You can use all of these, it doesn't matter, and you just have to paste that link, those desserts, in here. Click on the convert button and it's going to recreate that web page to PDF, okay? So it's done with a simple click. So when it's done, you'll get a whole PDF file which you can download pretty easily. Once it's done, it's going to look like this. So you can just click on the download file now. It's going to go to your computer and it's going to open this PDF file for you. And now we just have to make a few adjustments in here. So save this file. And then go back to Google one more time and then just type in Seda. Okay, so Seda is a tool that will allow you to edit the PDF file. Okay, so there's not a lot of tools that can do that. So Seda.com, you can just go inside and then upload that PDF file inside of here. So click on the upload PDF file and then it's going to open all this PDF file inside of this page. So what do we have to do now? Well, we have to make this work by putting all our affiliate link inside of this PDF file. You will find your own unique affiliate link here. So you can just click on this. It's going to copy that. And then we need to go back to SATA and we need to make that link on all of these pages. Okay, so we need to put it in there. So what you can do is you can just click on the text button here. And of course, you can just write this on each and every page. So for example, text, I click on text and I add it here. And I'm just going to right click here to get the best keto desserts. That's going to be like that. And now I want to click on this link. You can see link button. Now I just want to make a box around this one. So whenever someone clicks on it, they will be redirected to our affiliate offer on Digistore 24. So now this is the place where you put that link of yours, that Digistore 24 link, and now it is monetized. So whenever people are doing this, they're going to click on it and they're going to be redirected. They're going to be redirected here so they can just move to the sales page and you're going to get $5 per each one of those. Now, of course, you got to copy this and you have to do it on each and every page of this so people have an easier time to click on it, okay? And then you have that PDF file. You can click on apply changes and this PDF file, now it's going to go to your computer, right? And then we can just find the traffic for it. So I'm just going to download this one and then I'm going to go to Google and I'm just going to type in Reddit keto desserts. So keto desserts on Reddit has a lot of traffic. So what you can do is you can do something like all of these people are doing. You can put one recipe in here and people are going to see that recipe. But of course, you will just put something at the end. And that's going to be your PDF file, which will later bring the people to this offer. So here's what you can do. You can just go over to Google once again and you can type in keto desserts. And you can find one keto dessert that is actually going to be copied and pasted on keto desserts on Reddit. So you can just go and view the gallery. You can just copy one of these, choose whichever one of you want, and then paste that as a post in here. But of course, at the end of that, you just have to make your PDF file visible. For example, like this. You can see this person has posted one recipe, but there's a calorie breakdown at the end. You can use the same strategy. And when people just scroll down to see, they're going to see this. This is what you want to do. You can write something like this. There are even more delicious recipes in this ebook. And when I click on this, I'm going to be redirected to a thing like this. And this is what they're going to see. And they can just click on the link to actually buy that product. Okay, so this is how it works. Reddit has a lot of traffic, and that's all that you need. Okay, you just have to set this up properly, and it's going to bring you money passively. And that's all that you got to do, guys. Go and follow these steps, take some action, and the money is going to come. I'll catch you.